Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, I'm Joel Jose, and in today's video I'll show you how to download Blender. So Blender is an app in which we can make things for games, make animation films. So today I'll show you how to download Blender on PC. So first you have to open your favorite Google or whichever browser you have. I'm just now using Google Chrome. Then type Blender. So if you type Blender, you'll get to this page. It'll say Blender or home of Blender project, blah blah blah. Then here downloads. So if you click download, you'll get an option to download Blender 2.183. Then everything that's there over here. Then I will just click over here. So they'll automatically start downloading. So it might take some time because it takes 35 MB. So I'll just wait till that time. Okay, now I have downloaded Blender, so now I'll just open it. So they'll ask you this kind of question, just click run. I'll show this Windows installer page, say preparing to install. Then we can click just next. I accept, next. Then you can put a word you want, so I'll just click next and install. So I'll start installing. Okay, this might take some time I think, but we'll wait. Okay, now the downloading has finished, and as you can see there's a Blender icon on my desktop, so I'll just click this. So now the Blender will open. Just wait for it. Okay, now it has opened and you get this menu type of thing. So over here you have themes, so white. Okay, I like black more than that. Okay, then which language, shortcuts, I like shortcut, and select left, that's correct. Okay, if you click next, then you can see the files over here, so I just click one of a file. Okay, well, I'll just click over this. Okay, now you can see there's a cube over here. So in this video I showed you how to download Blender, and one of the next videos I'll show you how to use Blender. So that's it for today. So bye bye guys, and not only that, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and don't also forget to hit the notification button. So bye.